So this is the Excel file that the vendor has sent us. On the top, we have rows of attributes, such as product name, product quantity, and so on. And on the rows, we have the products that we would like to import into our Salesforce CPQ. We can click on the import button. Clicking on this button will give you a file picker in which we can select the file that we just looked at. Click on OK. And Valorx will then start the importing process and also running some validation checks in the background. So just like that, you can see that 100 code line has been inserted and 28 code line has been updated because it is part of a bundle. So let's take a look at the importer setup page. So this is our Valorx dynamic importer page for the admin user, in which he or she can use this page to reconfigure the app to work with different types of import file. For example, for a different vendor or supplier, the admin user can configure a different start cell address, a different header row, or different columns for the different file that the app will consume. So after that, let's take a look at our Salesforce page to check our work is indeed done. Over here, we can see that the code lines are indeed inserted. And if we click onto it, we do see that 100 lines has been inserted into this quote. So thank you for your time.